Okay, so hi, my name is Kaylin Knight. I am a sophomore at Rutgers University and I am majoring in psychology. I am also enlisted in the National Guard and in my college's ROTC program. And today I'm going to be talking to you about one of the main themes of my website, which is making exercise fun, as displayed on the screen. So, what we're going to be talking about is I'm going to go into the benefit of making exercise fun. I'm also going to give you some examples and tutorials on how to make exercise fun, and a tutorial on 2 different exercises. So let's just jump right into it, but first I'm going to give you a brief little preview of my website displayed on the screen. So this is the home page, but I really want to focus on the blog view page. And my website is going to be talking about making exercise fun and how to just improve on the overall experience. I really want to stress the blog page in the upper right hand corner, which you can access right here where my mouse is. This is where I'm mostly going to be interacting with you guys. So now that we've gotten to that, I want to move on to the next component, which is accessing the article used to show you the benefits. So you're going to go into Google Scholar, which is essentially just a platform that allows you to, access scholarly articles that have been researched. So you're going to type in, is it fun or exercising? The framing of physical activities and biases. You're going to search that up and you're going to click up the only thing that's there. And I'm also going to put this link in the description as well as my website link. So I'm just going to give you a brief synopsis. So essentially it's showing that there's a connection between making exercise fun and leading less. So most of the times when we find exercise to be draining, we feel as though we need to reward ourselves afterwards, typically with food, and that increases our calorie intake, which replaces the calories that we just burnt through the workout. So we're essentially undoing all the work. But when we're making exercise fun, there's shown to be a connection with eating less, which is assumed to be due to not finding the exercise draining. I want to move right on to our next component, which is going to be giving you a few examples of how to make exercise fun. So one way for a specific target exercise or a target body part is if you want to work on cardio. I would access things like Zumba and jazz exercise, which is really good for cardio because it's dance exercising, which is really fun, but it's still a very effective cardio website. Moving on from cardio workouts, I want to move on to things like strength training. You can go hiking, which is something that I love to do. This is a picture from a hiking trip that I went on earlier this year. Something else that you can do is have a change of environment. Really just get out into nature, connect with nature. That can really help make the workouts more enjoyable. However, if you're not able to get outside, don't worry, you can work out at home as well, and I have some suggestions for you. So something that I like to do when I'm not able to get to the gym or outside, I like to set an ambiance, light a candle, listen to my favorite music, burn incense, even listen to your favorite TV show or podcast. So next I want to get right into the tutorial. This is the first one.
I'm going to be teaching you how to do an arm workout that you can do almost anywhere essentially. So it's essentially just a clap. You can do it to a beat of music to make it more fun. You can do it silently. You can make your own beat with your hands, but you're essentially gonna make sure your arm is extended all the way out on both sides. And then you're just gonna put them together over the top of your head, fully extended like this. Come back down, repeat. And I do this about 1, 2, 3, 1.
And I repeat that about 50 times, but of course go at your own pace and what feels comfortable and right to you, and that's a perfect arm workout you can do anywhere. So the next exercise I want to get into is an exercise you can do sitting down at your desk. I'm going to be doing it on a more open surface just so you can see, but here it is.
What you're going to do is you're going to back up from your desk a little bit, and you're going to essentially just raise your leg to make a 90-degree angle. And you're going to bring your elbow to your leg. And you're going to alternate legs. And I'd say maybe do about 10 to 20 on these. These are really just suggestions. You can do as much or as little as you want. It's up to you, but this will give you a great ab workout without too much limitations on your clothes, your area, anything like that.
Okay, so that wraps up that I would like to do in this video. So I want to go over what we went over. We went on the benefits of exercising, which can lead to eating less. We went over different alternatives that you can do, going outside, hiking, and I give you 2 different tutorials, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go visit my website. All the links are going to be in description, and have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!